Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This professional diver was in for a surprise. The diver was unharmed and somehow totally avoided the boat. This couple was trying to take a wedding photo shoot when an elephant threw a stick at them. This is what a snoring porcupine sounds like. This guy was trying to use the bathroom, but the janitor was tired of waiting. This beatboxer used his voice to make it sound like he's walking into a club. This baby tried faux broth for the very first time.
Nice, buddy.
Trying to pass up kids on the mountain can be a challenge.
I'm going around you on the right. Sorry? Going around you on the left. Whoa, never mind.
Look at little fun footrests. Let's try it out.
This little guy was so excited to show off the flower that he found.
Tita! Tita! Tita!
I'm hungry, I'm not gonna lie. What is that? Bro, is that a Dunkin' Donut?
That is the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.